How to add Google Tag Manager code in React.js. Follow the instructions. You should use the latest and most efficient approach, typically leveraging a dedicated GTM package or a direct script injection for better control. If you haven't already, create an account at Google Tag Manager. Set up a container and copy the GTM ID. Install a popular package like react-gtm-module for a cleaner and more structured integration. Update your main entry file. If you want to push custom events to GTM, you can add data layer events. Use the Tag Assistant or Google Tag Manager preview to confirm the tags are firing correctly. Check the real-time analytics in your Google Analytics account, if linked. If you prefer a manual approach without the package, you can directly inject the GTM script in your public/index.html. Thank you for watching.